Alright, hey guys, Red Rider here, and in today's episode what we're going to be doing is finally putting the carpet back into the car. And that's pretty much it for today's episode of Project Talon. So let's get straight to the thumbnail. Let's enjoy the process of how long it took me to put the carpet back in and how it looks now with the carpet on. Alrighty guys, we have done all the sides. It looks amazing. Like I said, I will try to fix that. I got this thing right here that I just put usually under there, so it shouldn't be a problem. But it looks amazing compared to how it used to look. And it didn't take me that long to put up the carpet. Look at that, just like how it used to be. There we go, a little bit right there. It looks perfect. It's all black, trust me guys. I don't know why the camera picks it up like that, but it is all black. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the next part where I'm gonna be putting up the panels. So maybe I might move you guys closer so we can actually, see what I'm doing. So let's get straight to it. Alrighty guys, so pretty much what happened was I put in the gas, the battery is dead. That's pretty much what happened. So the car won't start on. I'm now wearing a different shirt and it's been almost a whole day, but I was able to move this now and put the center console. So now I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse before the sun sets and we should be good to go. Alright, time lapse right now. Alrighty guys, so we pretty much done this side and the other side. As you guys saw in the time lapse, I still need to do this, put the back seats, the front seats, and we should be good to go. These side panels have been a pain in the butt, more than putting the carpet, and this was so annoying to put in that I'm pretty sure I didn't even do a time lapse. So I'm sorry guys if you guys don't see all the time lapse. It's mainly because I have an iPhone as I'm recording, and I definitely need a different camera just for time lapse. And that's pretty much it. Oh god, the sun, the glare. All right, there we go. All right guys, this little piece, black panel and the radio by far win the trophy for hardest part to put in. Literally, I've been doing this since 9:30, and now it is now 11:30. 2 hours just to put this little black piece in there. So pretty much the previous owners cut all of this and put a different radio, I'm assuming. And I even, you guys saw in the video where my dad was trying to help me. He gave up and he was hungry. We hadn't eaten breakfast, so he went to buy food. And I decided to stay here till he comes back and can try to see if I could do it. This would, if I were to be able to do it, I would be up to par with my dad, because he wasn't able to do it and I was able to do it. Just like how he did the headlights, but I wasn't able to do headlights. And I think I did it. I got it in. It took a little pushing down and up and forward, and he was just trying to force it in. He ended up breaking the little part right here in the edge. Good thing I had some glue, and I just glued it back up. But what I did notice was that I guess the previous owner also broke this edge, because there's some white stuff behind it, like some type of glue, epoxy. So now I'm just gonna put this and hopefully it fits, and we should be golden. Sorry for the shifter right here. Sorry, I need a bigger tripod, I know. All right, moment of truth, ladies and gents. Will this fit in there? Crap, I put it the wrong way, I think. Yeah, oh, whoops, sorry about that, guys, sorry. Put it the wrong way. Oh, that's a little embarrassing. Come on, baby, Gary needs a new pair of shoes. Oh. Ladies and gents, we got it. We did it. Oh, you heard the little snap? Oh my god, I actually did it. That's amazing. My dad 1 point, the Fred Rider 1 point. We're even. Next up, we're gonna disassemble a whole car and put it together. Put it all again. And it's gonna be crazy. We're gonna buy 2 cars, 1 for each, and see who can fix it the fastest and put it back together. Well, I mean, fix it we'll do that. Fix it the fastest and build it up again and see who takes longer. But yeah, all right, that's it. We finished the whole console here. Let me grab you guys up. There we go. Oh, almost forgot. Let me just put this little right here, and we should be good to go. There we go, our little thing right here. And come on. Oh. And boom. You got, okay, that's not what it was. I think what happened? Did I break something? Damn it, I did. All right, let me just glue that puppy up and we'll be back. All right, guys, and we glued the little part that puts it in there, and we should be good to go. And we're just gonna put, dude, this is the second time that it breaks. The first time I was stepping on, I wasn't stepping on it. I put my hand over it like this and went. Why did I make that sound effect? Anyways, it broke in half, and I just repainted it, and pretty much the same thing happened just on this side now. But it's not as bad. It's not noticeable. But we got it. Oh yeah, like I was saying about this, the radio. So there's a random piece. Where is it at? Right here. This piece goes in like that. When I bought the car, it felt loud, and I had never noticed that it was just like a random piece that was there. And then I noticed that all the wiring harnesses and everything from the radio are just in there, and you can see little cuts right there that the previous owner made, just jagged. I ended up not connecting the thing in, mainly because I don't smoke, and I'm pretty sure that the wires and everything already messed up. So I just left it how it is, and that's pretty much it. So it really doesn't matter about that. If I ever want to smoke, I guess, which I highly doubt, I'll just put it back in there. but it's not gonna happen. So if anybody ever buys this car from me, just FYI, it's disconnected. So yeah, just in case for people that like smoke. I don't personally smoke, so I decided to leave it disconnected. And it'll be like that because I'm never taking this center console off again, unless I want to do the radio, because I'm trying to get modern radio, like touchscreen and everything. So I'll probably do that, and that's pretty much it. All right, cutting to time lapse now, guys. So this is how it looks usually, and I had never noticed it because I'm always riding like this, so you wouldn't notice it till now that I pointed it out. But like I was saying, I like to think disassembling car parts and assembling them together, mechanic work or panel work, as a form of art, because you have to have patience in order to trim pieces like this. And my dad's really impatient. I mean, me too, but I can kind of control it. So I like to usually always think that doing interior work, like painting it, disassembling it, working on it, is some form of art. So pretty much what I'm saying is mechanics are a type of artist, if that makes sense. I'm getting really philosophical for no reason. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. All right, time lapse time now. Alright guys, something that you guys didn't see was that I put little tops for the bolts, and now all the seats are good to go. What I'm gonna do next is wash my car, because it definitely needs a wash, but that's gonna be in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of putting everything back together. We still have some stuff that we haven't painted yet, but we will paint it in the future. I just need the car real soon, and I mean really bad, and so I decided to put it on now, since it was now or never. But look at that, I like that two-tone little color we got going on. I might actually end up doing that. It actually looks pretty clean. I mean, the other's some uneven gray right there, but that was because I had the bag. But who's really gonna pay attention to that? But it looks really amazing. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe to see more of that, more videos like these.